Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, construct a minimal DFA over sigma A comma B such that set of all string ends with A comma B. Now it will ends with A. So it starts with AB we have seen, containing AB we have seen. Now it should ends with AB. So it is containing the strings, the language is containing the strings like AB. Now it ends with AB. AB, AB ends with AB. BB, BB, AB ends with AB. AB, AB ends with AB. Again AB ends with AB. A, B ends with AB. B, 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 A. Again B ends with AB. So it is containing the strings which is ends with AB. Now initial state by getting A, I went there. Now by getting B, I went there, accepted. Now it's ends with AB. Now before getting A, I can have any number of B, I will wait here. Will wait here. Okay, because whenever I will get AB and if it is last AB, then I will accept. Now if I am getting A, I will be there only, I will wait here because same like the previous one containing AB. Because this if I get AB, I will be there, means I got AB. There I will check that whether I am that AB is last AB or not. Like so this was the first A I got. So before getting first I can have any number of B. So any number of B, any number of B, then A I got. Now after getting A, I can have any number of A. Okay, B remain there. Then you got B. Accept it. So these are the way possibilities. Now after reaching B, you can have again B. You can have again B. Now again you require AB at last, then only you will accept. Like here the pattern is breaking. You need to find the pattern AB. You got A here AB, then again you are getting B. Again if you will get like AB, then like AB you got, again you got B, again you got B. So after getting A, B you reach here, again you are getting AB. So again you require AB, then only that string belongs to the language. So after that if you will again get AB, then you will accept. So after reaching here, if you are getting B, again you have to search AB. So it means again you have to start from starting. So after getting B, you have to come to the initial state. Now again see whether you are getting AB or not. Now similarly, after reaching AB, this state we can reach by getting AB. Now if you will get again A, now see now again it's ends with BA, it is no more ending with AB. Now if after getting A, again if you will get B, then now again it ends with AB. So after getting AB, if you are getting A, now if you will get B, then only you will accept it. But ABA is not belongs to the language. So AB, A, B, like B. After A, if you are getting B, then only it belongs to the language. It means after getting AB, if you are getting A, then if you will get B only, then you will accept it. So which state is saying that you got A, at least one A? This state, that you got at least one A. After if you are getting any, you will be there. But if you will get B, accept it. So if you will getting A, you will be here. Then getting B, accept it.